Well, so some of you might remember that I did a video on this not too long ago, replacing the cord and cleaning it up and getting it going. This thing has a animal smell in it that I cannot get out of it. I don't know if it's the filters or if it's the hose or if it's the dirt cup, but I found another one today while I was out trash picking. This one is in a little bit worse condition. The brush chamber is really dirty. It's got a bunch of caked on animal hair and all kinds of stuff in there. I'm not going to save this. One of these is going to get scrapped, if not both of them. But I'm giving this one a chance to save itself with parts off of this one, provided these are worth saving. So I'm just going to pull this stuff off. Let me see here. So we've got this hose that's got to come out. Just like that. And I'll swap the wand over. That'll be easy enough to do. I will swap this hose over too. I'm kind of just going to throw a few things at this thing as I go and see if it makes a difference. Obviously, the filters are probably going to be the first thing you would think would be the first line of defense for anything like this. So we'll go ahead and pull this one down. Yeah, this actually looks a lot cleaner than this one. Anyways, get that off. Wow, so this has a different style filter on it. The heck? That's really odd. It's the same damn vacuum, but it has a totally different filter. That is very bizarre. I'm sure the cover still works fine. Maybe that doesn't even work. Man, that's weird. Well, we'll leave this filter off for the moment, just to see if that makes a difference at all. I don't know if these are washable or not. Get this dirt cup off. Throw this one on. That works fine. Of course it does. You know what? Just for the heck of it, we'll swap these hoses. And swap the wands. Just manually pulled it out. We'll see if that does something. Nope. Well, I guess we're keeping that wand on. And we'll swap the hose, see if that does anything. That works fine. Let me get this all situated and we'll lean it back and see what we can get it to do. All right, no filter in this thing. Different dirt canister. Couldn't do anything about the wand. Some good news. I'm not smelling anything. So let's throw this back in. See if it was just the dirt canister. digress. It looks like the problem was with the dirt canister now. So I'm looking at this now. This thing does smell. The rest of this kind of smells. Could have been that hose too. That was an easy and surprising fix. Probably replacing the dirt cup and replacing that hose is what took care of that smell.